Hello, my name is Dakota Allen, Sales Manager of Safety Zone Water Systems. In this video, we're going to be covering the installation and startup procedures of our whole house water filters. We have two types of whole house filters, non-electric and automatic backwashing filters. Let's start with our automatic backwashing filters. These are used with our whole house filters, our combo filters, our scale inhibitors, acid neutralizers, and also our sediment filters. Before we start the installation process, we need to locate a power source, build a drain, install the bypass, and set up the pipe fitting kit, which is included. Please note that we do recommend using 3/4 inch rigid PVC because the drains can't be restricted. Also note that our pipe fitting kits can accept 3/4 inch or 1 inch PVC. Our filter valve has 3 cycles: backwash, rinse, and service. It's factory programmed to go off every 4 days at midnight. Now that the installation is complete, let's set the time. To do that, press and hold set. You'll notice that the hour will start to blink. Once it's blinking, up or down, we'll change it to the correct time. Press set one more time to get to the minutes. Again, up or down changes those. Keeping in mind that PM is if you're in the PM, and time is if you're in the AM. Pressing set will get you out or exit you back to the menu, and you have the proper time there. To start up the system, we're going to want to make sure that the bypass valves are closed. We're going to press the up and down arrow simultaneously until the motor starts to run. Okay. Now this is going to push us into our first cycle. This does take a couple seconds for the motor to run through, so we're going to let it get there completely. Once the motor stops running, we're going to go ahead and open the inlet slowly to fill the tank. We're going to wait till we hear water running down the drain, and we're going to open the inlet completely at that point. The reason why this cycle is so important is we want to make sure that the media is fully rinsed, fully flushed. So if you don't have the ability to see the drain just naturally, you're going to want to find a way to see it, to watch that water run and make sure that it is crystal clear before you end this cycle. It may take a few minutes. It does take different amounts of time during that, but you do want to watch it and just make sure it's crystal clear. The next cycle we're going to do is we're going to press down and release, and that's going to bring us to our next rapid rinse cycle. And from there, we're going to wait till the motor stops running. And once the motor stops running, we're going to do the exact same thing we did on cycle 1. We want to again watch the water running down the drain to make sure there is no color and it is crystal clear. After you see that the water is crystal clear, we're going to press the down arrow one more time to bring it back to service. Again, this takes a little bit of time. This takes a little bit of time for the motor to get back to service. So we want to wait till that's done. And once that's complete and we're back in service, what we're going to want to do, and one of the most important things to do, is open up the outlet side of the bypass to give the customer good, clean water. I'd like to share with you one troubleshooting hint that's related to backwashing filters. If your customer is complaining about cloudy water or smelly water, it's most likely due to insufficient backwash. What you'll need to do is get back into the settings and check for the amount of time and the frequency of the backwash. I'd like to thank you for your time and thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see any more videos related to Safety Zone Water or anything that we offer, please visit safetyzonewater.com or our YouTube page.